So today we're changing the brake pads on the PT Cruiser here. This is the front ones at the moment. As you can see, there are no more pads in there. I didn't even notice till I started hearing all this grinding and screeching, so it should be about time. First of all, we're going to be removing these 2mm bolts, the one up here and the one down here. Those two. This one, this one. I always use my just a regular ratchet. If you have one of these to help you out, that'd be even better. Make life easier. There you go. That'll get them loose. Okay. Oops. No. Oops. Yes. What's going on? Let me see. The bolt got stuck on my ratchet. Let's see. There you go. And make sure you don't leave your caliper hanging anywhere. You just put it on top of here carefully. So let's see here. Oh, careful. Make sure it doesn't fall. And as you can see, they are pretty much done. Let me get my new set of brake pads. I just bought some cheap ones at Advanced Auto Parts. Nothing special. They were like for $21.99. Okay, so that's the big difference between the new ones and the old ones. You can tell it's about time for a change there. So let's see. Alright, so we got the brake pads here. You can tell the difference on these. One doesn't have a little metal thing sticking out like this one does. So it's 1 and 1. So what I'm seeing here is that this one seems to be fitting just perfectly there. Well, if you try this one, you'll see it won't sit right. So most likely this one will go here just perfectly. Now the other one on this side, let's see if I can get a good angle. One second. This one sits perfectly as well. So, yep. And they're aligned pretty much well there. So now, the piston over here. I'm gonna put that one back in. So, using one of your old brake pads, you can just simply put it in front. Out front. And you need one of these handy tools. Let's see where it's at. Oh, there you go. This is just a cheap one from AutoZone. I bought it a while back. Seems to do the job just fine. It is a little bent from the front, but honestly, it doesn't even affect its performance. It does the job pretty well. So, let me see if I'm able to get a good angle here. All you do is just basically push it all the way in, just by twisting the knob over here. As you can see, should almost be there, almost all the way in. Let's just keep doing it and make sure we don't have to do it again. Alright, so that's where it stops. Seems to be all the way in. Now with that being said and that, gotta put it back. Oops, sorry, I'm trying to do this just with one hand. It's kind of hard. Oh boy. Let's try to do this first. So after you push the piston in, it should go in just fine. You're gonna move just these a little bit back in because they have like a, you can push them back in. Let me see. Okay. Not really a difficult job. Okay. So now everything seems to be in place. I mean, oops, sorry, the camera is a little bit dirty. Now everything seems to be in place. Everything seems to be good. I'm just gonna tighten up those bolts back, and that should be it. Like I said, the only tip I would suggest, if they are really tight, if you have one of these, where's that? get one of those little steel pipes just to get some leverage. That would make life way easier. It just doesn't apply for this. I mean, you can use it pretty much for anything. But yeah, let me go ahead and just tighten this up and I'll be back with you. Now, everything's tight. Everything's back all set. Yeah, I need to get this replaced. And that's pretty much it. I mean, just reverse the exact same step. You know, just put the wheel back on, the lugs. Before driving off, you know, push the brake a few times, make sure the piston can come out, and you should be good. Thanks for watching.